real-time example is in our day-to-day life, we used to transfer some amount to another bank, another account, right? Which might be resides in another bank system. Like consider you're going to transfer some amount to SBI Bank from Kotak Bank. So what we are going to do now, we are going to log into the net banking application. There, you're going to mention the receiver account information and their IFSC code like that. You have to fill some details to find the sender in a global environment, global banking system. So while sending an information, you are going to mention account information, IFSC code, the amount that should be transferred from Kotak to SBI Bank. Are you thinking that Kotak Bank and SBI Bank are communicating directly? Because it's no. Consider SBI Bank run the credit and debit applications twice in a day or thrice in a day. What will be the amount transactions between Kotak and SBI Bank? It will get lost while making Kotak Bank. The error might be thrown in a Kotak Bank networking site as the receiving end of the party is not available right now. You can contact them later. Like that, you might get an error. So to mitigate that issue, SB Bank might know even if they are available once it is back to the online. It doesn't know whether Kotak Bank made an retry to connect to them and put some amount into the bank account. So they communicate via IBM MQ. So the communication will be Kotak Bank via net banking. It just uses the account information and the amount to be credited and some of the codes, available codes. It just form the query message and put that message into IBM MQ. While putting that message into IBM MQ, Kotak Bank will also debit some amount that needs to be transferred to the SBI account and will send a message to the user like this much of amount debited from your account, and your message it is to be credited into the destination bank like that. So once that message received from Kotak Bank in a IBM MQ, it will save that message in a queue. So once application SBI Bank runs the credit or debit application twice a day or thrice a day, at that time it will just consumes the messages from the IBM MQ and it will process that messages. That message will be credited to your credited to the end user or to the user who or actually needs that amount. Okay, so here they can't able to communicate directly. Here they are using IBM MQ for better communication. Okay.